Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and continue the reviews of the new Diamond Press items. These items were sent to me free of charge from Diamond Press, and all opinions are my own, and any links I have will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase any of those items. Any items through those links that are in the description box. So thank you guys so much for the support. Having said that, like I said, these are previews for the HSN Craft Day on November 2nd, so I may not have links quite yet. As soon as they come up on HSN, I will put them in the description box. If you want to come back and use those links, that'd be really great. But otherwise, you know, you would just hop over to HSN and see what they got. So one other thing. So I had already reviewed or did a quick little video intro on using this particular item, which is the Happy Mail envelope stamps. And because this other set said Happy Mail, I thought they coordinated, which you can still use them together. This, I'll show you in a minute why I'm saying that. But this is going to have an auto ship. So I want to put them separate. I don't want to do the auto ship video until we get there. But if you saw Diamond Press's email, if you are on their newsletter rolls, you would have seen that this is super cute. It's a hidden message in like an envelope, and then you get these other ones with the auto ship that are really adorable. So you guys can check that out. If you haven't signed up with them, go to mydiamondpress.com, and I believe there you can give them your email and they'll send you out the different newsletters. So you would have seen that. So that's another thing that just happened this morning. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to redo it. So right now I already did the unboxing, so I'm going to splice in that unboxing right now. Coordinating back. So this is the Diamond Press Happy Mail envelope stamps. Well, you know what? I guess I'm not way off. Let me open this up. Of course, you still need to put this in an envelope to send it off. So these are just the stamp set, all stamps. No dies in this one. And they look really adorable. So I know part of my paper crafting I don't know, sore spots or, where I'm lacking is decorating the envelope. So look how nice. It has a lot of detail here. And these two are different stamps, so you don't have to put the lines if you don't want, but you have a little decoration like an outer edge. Again, same thing here. You have this really pretty kind of decorative shape here, and then you have the dots. And so there's like a straight line. These are like dotted. You have the oval that those can nest into. So really nice to kind of coordinate back. Well, I mean, obviously with anything that you want to send out. That's cool. It's kind of like a ribbon, like a ticket edge. And these are, so this one is one piece. This one has separate dots, so you can keep that separate if you want. And then just lots of cute little things sending love and hugs, handmade with love, special delivery, just for you, deliver to, and then you have like this little cancellation kind of looking stamp. Made with love, looks like a postage stamp. Cute stuff, you're invited. Hello, friend. You have a little wreath. This just has a ton of things that you can decorate with. The whole line up of your envelope at the bottom or top, wherever you want to put it, or maybe all around. Make it like a border there. Really cute. Okay, so that's, again, I'll mention this really quick. Happy Mail envelope stamps. Okay, so hopefully the edit was not too rough, but I'm just going to redo it like I said. So I already went through this. That's why I'm just going to put this to the side for now. And we'll just get started. So I'm just going to grab some envelopes. I know sometimes people make their own envelopes with like watercolor paper, which would be really fun. But I'm just going to grab some blank envelopes that I have here, and we'll just play with this a little bit, and I'll show you what they do. So I just grabbed this. It's a little bit larger, the stamping plate there from Diamond Press. I have like a 5x7, maybe a standard A2. That's what it looks like. And then like a square card base. I'm assuming it's like a 5.5 inch square. So let's just get started. I want to see how long these little guys are. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, I'm going to start off with this heart one because that is too cute. And as soon as I saw it, I wanted to use it. And a lot of times when something's like this kind of floppy, you see, what I do to make sure it's straight is I'll just let it flop on its own. Obviously, we want to turn it. And sometimes you'll get better luck than others, So that's just kind of what I like to do. Just let it drop. And then, I do have a ruler here. But just so that you can have a little more idea if it's straight or not. And I'm just going to pick this up like here. And that's pretty good. All right. And let's see. What do we got? I probably should have chosen colors earlier. I have this pink tulip quick dry ink. And this is how we're just going to do it, guys. I'm just going to pull colors as I feel like using them. And you know what? I have repositionable sticky stuff in this, so I'm just gonna stick this down. Oh, look at that. I was gonna stamp on it upside down. See, pay attention. All right, I'm just putting that on here on my surface just so I can have it straight. You don't need to use that. You can use tape or just don't use it, but I thought it'd be nice to do that. Okay, I'm gonna put this right down at the bottom because I think this is really cute. Oh my gosh, adorable, our little hearts there. Okay, and then I want to do the lines. So, I mean, you can do whatever. There's so many things on here. Let's see. I do want to... I was just going to do the lines by themselves, but I do like this cute little pattern around here. So what I'm going to do is... You can do 2 different colors. Well, you know, maybe we will. We'll do 2 different colors. Okay, so let's leave this hopefully kind of straight. And let's do that in a black line. I have this squid ink. And hopefully this will... I don't know how big the other thing is. It's pretty big, so I'm just going to try to stamp this and see if I can get the other one in the same area. Aww. Those would be nice journaling lines too if you like something nice and chunky, if you want to write larger on something. Again, this little frame, he's a little juji. Is that a word? I don't know, but I use that word all the time. So what I would do is try to let it do its own thing. Ooh, that repositional adhesive is not holding as tight as I thought it would. Okay, there we go. That's pretty good, right? I'm just looking for the straightness. I'm not looking to center it right now because that doesn't matter. We're going to stamp that in just a minute. Okay. And let's do that in Spring Meadow. Why not? Alright, and I'm just kind of looking through. Again, if you get close and you don't think you're where you want, you have some little wiggle room here with this little guy. That's good. I know I put a lot of ink all over the place, so let's... Oh, I love those colors together. So cute. Alright, let me clean this off. I'll be right back. Because this is kind of like a... well, not kind of like, it is a standard A2 size card. I am going to do the same lines, but I'm going to put the lines on the back so what you can do your address. But I'm going to use this one too because I think this is really adorable. And let's do that one. And I'm just putting a mishmash of colors here. We'll use this parakeet. It's like a blue color. Aww, something special. Sending love just for you. Okay, it's supposed to be quick dry, so it should be dried. And I'm going to remove that repositionable adhesive. Okay, and then I'm just going to do just the lines in black on the back here. And that would be to put your return address. And then again, you can decorate the whole back too. I just was doing a little something. Let's get that squid ink. So, you know, again, and I don't know how I edited the video. Like I said, I spliced the other piece in. I might have mentioned, like, this is the only thing I never really do. So this is really nice to have a little stamp set that's basically just geared towards making your envelope look a little cuter than just plain old envelope. And then we have all these other stamps that we can still stamp on there, really cute. All right, that's a standard A2 size. Let me clean up a little bit, maybe grab some colors so we're ready to go, and I'll do a few other envelopes. This next one, I'm just gonna keep it like basic colors. And let's see here. Put this here. And I wanna use this big ticket one, so I think I'm gonna do is all black. And I haven't stamped this one before. Obviously it's brand new, so I may have to stamp it off because it is a big guy. And then I'll just make sure it's stamping well before I put it on my envelope. Let's see. Ooh, let's use Memento ink. So again, I'm just kind of rubbing it on there. And I'm just going to stamp that off on a practice sheet. Just to get that going, because it is quite a bit. Ooh, look at that. Look pretty great already. So, there we go. And I should probably get my stamping mat out. So this one, I'm going to do it pretty basic. I like this ticket looking stamp, so I'm going to stamp this. And then, oh, so nice. And then we're going to stamp just the lines. So this one has lines built in, but it's basically the same as the lines that are over here. So I'm going to take these lines, and for our return, since this is a bigger envelope, we can do something like this. And I'm just going to use the straight lines again up here. And let's get that memento going. Over the lines. Oopsie, I kind of overstamped that one. And it's from when I laid it down earlier because I hadn't cleaned it off from before. And let's get the, I thought I like this. It says kindly deliver to, and then we have deliver to. I like kindly deliver to. I thought that was kind of cute. And I'm going to put it right here, I think. Cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, that's all I want to do on this one. Just kind of basic with that little stamp. It's really cute with the little ticket. And I guess you can put it all the way to the edge. I just put it where I put it. So there's that one. So we have this one. And then we need to try out this square one. And let's see. Let me think about what I want to do for this one, and we'll get it going. A little interesting. What I want to do is this little chevron, and I'm just going to stamp it over here. And then we're going to stamp that same special delivery one because I think it's adorable. But let's see how that works out. And let's get this guy. I'm trying to see if I can pick it up kind of straight. Very thin line, so I'm not going to practice on this one, but I'm just going to stamp it. Oh, cool. It has, is that 2 lines? No, it's 1 thick one. It's hard to tell because as I'm stamping, I can see the black lines. Yeah, it's 2 thin ones. That's pretty cool. And I'm just going to stamp this off the side here because I think that looks fun. Ooh, that's a slick one. I like that. Look how thin those lines are. All right, pretty cool. And then I wanted to stamp it with this Sending Love right here. Oh, I'm not gonna do that again. I'll learn my lesson from the first time. Putting down a stamp that might have a little ink on it. I'm not gonna do that this time. Okay, did I stamp that one upside down? I absolutely did. Look at that. Okay, so I have another one here. Let's do that one again, and pay attention to where my words are. Sending Love. All right. Now let's do it again because knowing me, I'll stamp it the same way again. All right. Oh, so cute. I love that one. That is just adorable. Okay, let me think about what I want to do for the lines down here at the bottom. I haven't thought that far ahead. So I haven't tried the little dots ones yet. So this one is what I'm gonna use for this down here with the little dots. And this is clean, so I'm gonna put it on there. It's brand new. And since I'm doing black and red, I think I'll just keep it that way. So little black dots. Oh, I love that. I'll show you in just a second. I know it's probably hard to see because of the camera zoom, but that is really delicate and really pretty. Probably use this one again on the back, so I'll just leave that out. And then I have this XOXO, I think is adorable. And I'm going to use a smaller block for that, because we don't need nothing too big. I just want to put this right here. That'd be a cute one to repeat, though, if you want to repeat, 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 repeat. Adorable. And that's how I chose to stamp it, if you want to start with the X's and going down, however. And then, let's see. I saw one in here that I wanted to try out. This is really cute. This Please Deliver To. You see how it's kind of rounded? So if you use like the oval, you can put that inside the oval or on top of it, but I would probably put it on the inside with the little lines. Super cute. This one, Special Delivery 4, and I'll probably just do it in black ink too. So okay, I like the black and red look, so I stuck to it, but a Special Delivery 4. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And then I'm just going to put the other lines on the back here. That's a very delicate stamp. And we got this guy. Just committing on that one. There we go. And let's see. That was kind of cute. A little swirl. I always do this whenever I write. That is one thing I do on my envelopes. And if you've received the card from, maybe you've noticed, and sometimes I forget, but I usually write the person's name and all that, and I do a little swirly like this underneath. So now I have it in a stamp. Cute. Oh. Okay guys, so here are the envelopes we designed today. They all look super cute, especially together like this, and I will definitely be using these. Again, that's my weak spot, is, you know, decorating envelopes, which I think is a really cute thing to do. And there's lots of things that we can do here with these stamps. So thanks for watching, guys. I will have the links in the description box, and let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.